Starting a bookkeeping business in the USA can be a rewarding venture, as many small businesses and entrepreneurs require professional bookkeeping services to manage their financial records. Here are the steps to help you get started. So watch the full video. Education and training. Ensure you have the necessary education and skills to become a bookkeeper. You might consider getting a degree in accounting or finance, but it's not always required. Many successful bookkeepers have certifications like Certified Public Bookkeeper, CPB, or Certified Bookkeeper, CB. Familiarize yourself with accounting software like QuickBooks, Xero, or FreshBooks, as these are commonly used by small businesses. Business plan. Develop a detailed business plan that outlines your business goals, target market, pricing structure, and marketing strategies. A well-thought-out plan will be crucial in securing financing and guiding your business. Legal structure and registration. Choose a legal structure for your business, such as a sole proprietorship, LLC, or corporation. Consult with a legal or financial professional to determine the best structure for your specific situation. Register your business with the appropriate state and local authorities and obtain any necessary licenses and permits. Finances. Set up a business bank account to keep your personal and business finances separate. Determine your pricing structure for bookkeeping services. Research the market to ensure your prices are competitive. Insurance. Consider getting liability insurance to protect your business in case of errors or omissions in your work. Software and tools. Invest in accounting software and tools to efficiently manage your clients' financial data. You may also need a reliable computer, scanner, and printer. Marketing and networking. Create a professional website that showcases your services and expertise. Develop a marketing plan that includes strategies like social media marketing, email marketing, and networking within your local business community. Join professional organizations like the American Institute of Professional Bookkeepers, AIPB, to enhance your credibility and network with potential clients. Client acquisition. Start by reaching out to your personal and professional network to find your first clients. Consider offering introductory discounts or promotions to attract initial clients and build a portfolio. Client contracts. Draft clear and comprehensive contracts for your clients. These contracts should outline your services, fees, payment terms, and responsibilities. Financial record keeping. Ensure you maintain accurate financial records for your own business, as well as for your clients. Starting a bookkeeping business requires careful planning, dedication, and attention to detail. It's essential to provide high-quality service and build a reputation for reliability and accuracy to attract and retain clients in the long term. Consulting with a business advisor or accountant can also be beneficial when starting and growing your bookkeeping business.